Hey YouTube, what is up? We're back with another vid here with Kev. Today we are meeting Vurse. He is the creator of Speedrun 4. He is a really good creator and scripter. He created the game Speedrun 4. And I meet so many famous people, it's crazy. So he's right here as you can see because of all this crowd. And so right now I'm just dancing because I want to get my points up so I can buy some new dances. Ooh, we got a Builders Club man in here. Cool. Let's see if we can get in there and see him. Well, there he is. You can see his wings. Oh, you can see the back of his Dominus. Wow, he must have a lot of Robux. That's cool. Hey, Sloth merge. She must know Poke, the YouTuber. Huh. Let's see if everybody can stop crowding him. Wow. Look at the chat, guys. This is crazy. First I met Alex Neutron Quartet, then met Froggy Hops, then I'm meeting first the creator of Speedrun. Wow, this is super cool, guys. As you guys don't know, I just moved, so I haven't had time to make a YouTube video in a while, so sorry if I haven't uploaded that. Huh. Let's do a level here, guys. Let's do a few levels. Woo! Psych! Just kidding. Oof. So as you guys don't know, I had never told you this, but we're gonna start a series of episodes on this game. Each video we're gonna get 7 levels, and the first video is gonna be pretty easy for me. It will be pretty boring, but the next videos will be pretty cool, because you'll see me struggle. But let's get a few levels in here. Psych. Woo! And guys, as I repeated if I get to 25 subs, I will make sure I meet Coptis, the owner of Bloxburg. I will make sure I get in contact with him or something. Okay, let's get to level 3 today, guys. I don't know why. This does not count. But this just for some fun. Psych. Just kidding. Woo! We made 2 levels, guys. 1 more level to go. Then we'll say bye to Vurse and end this video. I'm sorry, guys, if this video is kind of short today, but I really just don't have that much time to make a video. I just wanted to show you this proof that I'm at Vurse. So you can see up here, that's him. Okay, guys. And we made the level 3. Let's just do level 4. It's for you guys. Oh, dang it. Okay, well, let's just go back to the lobby right now. Let's see what Vurse is up to. Okay, now we can see him. Wow, we can't even see his face. That's creepy. Creeps me out. Wow, 28 out of 30 stars. We really gotta get there, guys. We'll make it to 30 stars, then we'll get the zombie mode, guys. Well, let's say bye to Vurse, guys. See you, Vurse. I'm ending the video here, guys. See you next time, and we're gonna start that series of episodes where we're doing 1 through 7 levels on this game. See you next time, YouTube. See ya.